Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another epic showdown where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we've got a 3D printer battle that's hotter than a fresh off-the-press filament. On my left, we have the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, and on my right, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the almighty dollar. The Kobra 2 Neo comes in at a wallet-friendly $239. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus is strutting around with a hefty $599 price tag. For that difference, you could buy another 3D printer or, a small island. Just kidding, but seriously, that's a big gap. So, if you're looking to save some cash for, say, a pizza or a new pair of shoes, Kobra 2 Neo might just be your new best friend. Now, let's talk speed. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a max print speed of 250 millimeters per second, which is pretty impressive. But hold on to your hats, because the Neptune 4 Plus is hitting the nitro boost with a max speed of 500 millimeters per second. That's right, folks, this thing is faster than my morning coffee run. If you're all about rapid prototyping and have the patience of a squirrel on espresso, Neptune 4 Plus is the way to go. But if you enjoy watching your prints evolve like a beautiful slow-motion symphony, Kobra 2 Neo has got you covered. Size matters, or so they say. The Kobra 2 Neo has a decent build volume, but the Neptune 4 Plus is like the SUV of 3D printers, boasting a massive 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters build volume. You could practically print a small village with this thing. If you're into creating larger models, or just like to print all the things at once, Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to. But if you prefer a more compact approach, Kobra 2 Neo won't hog all your desk space. Next, let's talk extruders. The Kobra 2 Neo has a new integrated extruder with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It melts filaments faster than a popsicle in the Sahara and cools them down just as quickly. But wait, the Neptune 4 Plus isn't backing down. It's packing a dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio. And with its powerful double-sided cooling fans, it's like having an air conditioner for your filament. It's a tough call, but if you want smoother filament feeding and less clogging, Neptune 4 Plus has the edge. Finally, let's talk user-friendliness and customer support. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, making it super easy for beginners to get started. Plus, Anycubic offers a 1-year after-service, with the print head and heated bed under warranty for 3 months, respectively. On the other hand, Neptune 4 Plus offers various connect options like Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN. But let's be honest, their customer service details are a bit hush-hush. So if you're a newbie or just want some peace of mind, Kobra 2 Neo might be the safer bet. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its high-speed printing, ease of setup, and excellent value for the price. Reviewers appreciate its precision and robust build quality, although some have encountered issues with network connectivity and slicer reliability. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its detailed prints and large build volume, but requires thorough assembly and maintenance for optimal performance. Users also noted the fan noise and the need for aftermarket modifications to enhance its functionality. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo versus the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Both are fantastic in their own right, whether you're pinching pennies or splurging like it's Black Friday. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.